You know, ඉස්සර වාගේ CI මායත් මේ වගේ කාර් එකේ පොඩි පොඩි වැඩ කරනවා. හැබැයි මේ වගේ වැඩ කරලා කරේ වාගේ CI කතා අහපු එකයි තේ බිප්පු එකයි. Listen. Do you hear that idle? It's a little uneven, no?
මේ ශබ්ද හරි නැද්ද?
නෑ. මගේ CMට ඔක මුලදීම කිව්වා that this engine doesn't seem to fit කියලා. I mean this car might be original, same body, same color. If you see the chassis number, that never matched.
So it was rebuilt?
It was replaced. Original engine එක seize වුණා. See, it was a factory defect. ඒ වගේ දෙයක් වුණාම you can't fix it. You have to replace it.
එතකොට මේක වෙන වාහනයකින්ද ගත්තේ?
ඒ වැඩි ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න ගියේ නෑ. You know, it screamed the first time we turned the key. You know how they always say that you don't look like your grandfather, or how you don't idle the same way I do. When the original engine ceased, we didn't go replace the body. Too many memories. We just swapped out what was inside, cleaned it up, and taught it how to behave as if it's always been there. I love the original, but love doesn't always keep running.
එතකොට මම